thunderstorm warning for East Central Polk, P.O.L.K. County in western Arkansas, southwestern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Little Missouri Falls Recreation Area, or 14 miles northeast of Umpire, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Little Missouri Falls Recreation Area, Big Fork. Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albert Pike Recreation Area, or 13 miles east of Umpire, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albert Pike Recreation Area, New Hope in Pike County, Lodi, Langley, Fancheville, Kirby. Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Clark County in southwestern Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Arkadelphia, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arkadelphia, Garrison, Caddo Valley, Gum Springs in Clark County, Richwoods, Hollywood, Lower Lake Recreation Area, Curtis, Grief Fightstown.
Number 30.
Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas until 7:45 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Halfway, or 10 miles southwest of Arkadelphia, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Garrison, Oklahoma, Wayland Springs, Bern, Gum Springs in Clark County, Richwoods, Birdsville, Hollywood, Curtis.
following is a test of the Emergency Action Notification System.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EPAUSE open cap EAS feed configuration test message.